Hallod, Tobi? Kollás volt, nem volt dinnos. Ezt is szeretem.
Just built a brand new pool in the back of his jacked up 62. The twins jumped in, Cam and Kate, Billy Bob walked by and dropped the tailgate. Chill holidays, water on the lawn. Pete didn't miss a beat, turned the sprinklers on. Things were getting a little wet and wild, slip and slide in redneck style. No shoes, no shirt if you wanna get in. Girl so hot it should be a sin. Oh good Lord, you know we gonna have one hell of a redneck summer. When you went down to the watering hole, now she's covered in mud from head to toe. The twins jumped in and knocked her down, now they're all mud wrestling for the crown. Steve smoked a little smoke and got the bright idea to tie a little rope round the old oak tree. 8 seconds on the clock, get up, let's go. Get on the rainbow rodeo. No shoes, no shirt if you wanna get in. Girl so hot it should be a sin. Oh good Lord, you know we gonna have one hell of a redneck summer. Didn't drop the top, he chopped a ride off of that Jeep rat ride with the mossy old paint job. The twins jumped in, said come on let's go. He revved her up and they hit the road. Well, Kevy volunteered for the tire swing. He'd already been riding that white line, and the cameras came out and he just couldn't stop. Now he's got 1 million views in that belly flower. No shoes, no shirt if you wanna get in. Girl so hot it should be a sin. Oh good Lord, you know we gonna have one hell of a